Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Apple Watch Ultra. First, let's get started by powering on your new device. Simply press and hold the side button for a few seconds until the Apple logo appears. Then, place your iPhone close to your watch. Both devices will guide you through the initial pairing process with clear on-screen prompts. It's a straightforward process designed for ease and convenience, getting you connected in just a few moments. Once paired, it's time to personalize your Apple Watch Ultra. You can select which wrist you wear it on, ensuring a comfortable fit. Adjust settings like text size and brightness to your preference. Don't forget to set up a secure 4-digit or longer passcode and enable Apple Pay for convenient transactions. If your model supports cellular, you can also activate that service during this stage for enhanced connectivity. Your Apple Watch Ultra comes packed with essential applications. Dive into apps like Activity to track your daily movement, Workout for fitness routines, and Heart Rate for vital health monitoring. You can also expand its capabilities by downloading many more applications directly from the App Store. Remember to customize the Action button, a physical button on the side, to instantly launch your most used feature, like starting a workout or a flashlight. The Apple Watch Ultra is a powerful health and fitness companion. Begin by setting up your personal health profile with details like your age, height, and weight for accurate tracking. It continuously monitors your daily activity, tracks a wide range of workouts, and provides detailed progress reports. Utilize its advanced sensors to gain insights into your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even wrist temperature during sleep, offering a comprehensive view of your well-being.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.